Evolution's Rail Contemporary, TimberTech's sleek, modern, continuous top rail style railing system. Evolution's Rail Contemporary's versatile design allows for 5 infill options with a template laser etched onto the universal rail. It is available in a dark, rich color palette of classic black, brick, and traditional walnut. These color choices can be mixed and matched to provide a customized railing system that will accent the beauty of any TimberTech deck. Evolution's Rail Contemporary is sold in 6-foot and 8-foot rail packs and can accommodate straight and stair applications. Rail packs include 2 universal rails, hardware kit, top rail screws, and foot blocks. The glass hardware pack in white and black is sold in 6-foot lengths only. The glass hardware packs include a top glass channel, a bottom glass channel, 2 rubber gaskets, and all of the necessary fasteners. The 1/4-inch tempered glass should be sourced locally. Top rail is sold in 16-foot lengths. Post sleeves and post skirts are sold separately. Color matching end coatings are also available. And be sure to consider TimberTech lighting before installing railing. View the TimberTech lighting video for more details. A typical stair rail height is between 34 and 38 inches, measured from the leading edge of the stair tread vertically to the top of the rail. Be sure to consult local building codes prior to installation. Rest your bottom universal rail on stairs and transfer the length and angle of the stairs onto the rail. This angle will be used throughout the entire installation. Set cutting blade at the proper angle. Cut bottom universal rail to length. Transfer length and angle to top universal rail. Cut top universal rail to proper angle and length. Measure and cut the bottom and top glass channels. When laying out your glass channels, ensure that you leave at least 2 inches between the glass channel and the post, but no more than 4 inches. Cut rubber gaskets to length, matching the lengths of the glass channels. Next, attach one bracket to the underneath side of each end of the universal rails, pre-drill with a 9/64" drill bit. Next, attach the brackets with number 10 by 7/8" screws. Install foot blocks every 2 feet on center along the underside of the bottom universal rail. 2 foot blocks are required for every section up to 6 feet. Trim foot blocks to the stair angle. Prepare foot blocks by boring a 1/2 inch hole 2 1/2 inches deep, then follow with a 3/16 hole through the entire block. To position the foot blocks, temporarily install the bottom universal rail. Position foot blocks so they fit snug between the bottom rail and the stairs. Mark their location and remove the bottom rail. Pre-drill the underside of the bottom rail for foot blocks using a 9/64" drill bit. Attach the foot blocks at the marked locations using number 10 by 2-inch screws. Temporarily install railing with glass panel between the post sleeves. Mark the height and angle for the post sleeves. Post sleeves should be flush with the top universal rail. Remove post sleeves from post. Cut your post sleeves and posts to the desired length and angle. Place the post sleeves over the 4x4 posts. Install skirts by sliding them over the post sleeves. Now, center the bottom universal rail to posts. Pre-drill 9/64" pilot holes through the post sleeve and into the post through the holes in the brackets. Secure the bottom universal rail to posts with number 10 by 2-inch screws. Screws are designed to go in at a slight angle. Install bottom glass channel using the pre-drilled holes in the channel. A 7/64" pre-drill is required before driving the provided number 8 by 1" screws into the bottom universal rail. Place the trimmed rubber gasket onto the bottom side of the glass panel before inserting. Set panel gasket assembly into bottom glass channel. Place the second rubber gasket to the top of the glass panel and fit the top glass channel onto the glass panel assembly. Install the top universal rail over the top glass channel. Once the top universal rail and top glass channel are aligned, center both ends on their respective post sleeve. Pre-drill 9/64" holes through the post sleeve using the holes on the mounting brackets and attach using the number 10 by 2-inch screws. Finish off the railing system by installing the top rail. Cut the top rail to length. Make sure all seams fall at the center of a post. Pre-drill and secure the top rail to the 4x4 post using two number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screws. Position screws 3/4 of an inch from the end of the top rail. Pre-drill through the existing holes in the top glass channel into the top rail with the 7/64 inch drill bit. Secure top rail, universal rail, and top glass channel with number 8 by 2 1/4 inch screws. Use optional end coating on exposed top rail ends.